First up, Debian. Debian is the stable, cautious foundation. Its motto is rock-solid stability, achieved through a release cycle with extensive testing phases. Software in the main stable branch is often older but extremely reliable, making it ideal for servers and systems that must never break. Its commitment to free software is defined by the Debian Free Software Guidelines, DFSG. Using the apt package manager, you have access to a vast repository of over 59,000 packages. It also has excellent hardware compatibility, supporting architectures from standard PCs to ARM devices and servers. Next, Fedora. Fedora is the cutting-edge innovator sponsored by Red Hat. It focuses on incorporating the latest open-source technologies, like the Wayland display server and Pipewire audio, often before other distros. It's a community-driven project that serves as the upstream testbed for Red Hat Enterprise Linux, RHEL. A key feature is its robust security, with SLinux, Security Enhanced Linux, enabled and configured by default. It's a developer's paradise featuring a full suite of modern programming languages and a first-class container toolset including Podman and Builda. Next, Linux Mint. Linux Mint is often the actual best starting point for Windows refugees. Based on Ubuntu LTS for stability, it adds a familiar and complete desktop experience. Its flagship Cinnamon desktop offers extensive customization, allowing you to adjust themes, icons, and layouts to your taste. It famously includes all necessary multimedia codecs out of the box and provides a cautious update manager, giving you clear choices about system changes. However, while excellent for basic tasks, some users find that compatibility issues can arise with very new hardware or specific commercial software not designed for Linux. Next, Pop! OS. Pop! OS is Ubuntu, supercharged for creators, developers, and gamers. Created by computer manufacturer System76, its killer feature is outstanding hardware support, especially for NVIDIA GPUs, with a dedicated ISO available. Its custom GNOME-based desktop, Cosmic, features a best-in-class keyboard-driven tiling window manager for ultimate productivity. It's packed with thoughtful extras like separate recovery partitions and power management profiles. It excels as a development platform with great support for tools like Docker and Podman, though its smaller community compared to Ubuntu can sometimes mean fewer community-driven resources. Next, Manjaro. Manjaro is the accessible gateway to the Arch ecosystem. It provides a friendly graphical installer, automatic hardware detection, and pre-configured desktops. It manages Arch's rolling updates by holding them back for about 2 weeks of extra community testing, aiming for greater stability. It includes helpful graphical tools for managing kernels and drivers, making Arch's power and the AUR more approachable, though this can sometimes lead to issues not covered in the main Arch wiki. Next, OpenSUSE. OpenSUSE is the Swiss Army knife, renowned for its powerful all-in-one system administration tool called YIST. This graphical control center lets you configure everything from disk partitions to network services and user accounts in one place. It offers 2 main flavors: Leap, which shares a core with SUSE Linux Enterprise for rock-solid stability, and Tumbleweed, a unique rolling release model. Tumbleweed uses an automated testing framework to deliver very recent packages while maintaining impressive stability for a rolling distro. Next, Ubuntu. Ubuntu is the famous Debian offspring that made Linux mainstream. It takes Debian's stable base and adds a polished GNOME desktop and a predictable release cycle. Ubuntu releases a new version every 6 months, with long-term support, ALTS versions every 2 years. An LTS release like Ubuntu 24.04 LTS receives 5 years of standard security updates, which can be extended up to 15 years for free on personal machines with Ubuntu Pro. Recent versions also feature major enterprise-friendly additions like comprehensive Active Directory support for corporate environments. It pioneered the easy-to-use live USB installer, making it risk-free to try. Specialized distros exist for specific tasks. Kali Linux is a toolkit packed with over 600 tools for security professionals and penetration testing. It's not designed as a daily driver.